5 food hacks, 90 seconds on the clock. Let's do this. 90 seconds. We don't have time for an intro today. Let's get rolling. Although they're high in fat, studies show eating nuts actually helps you lose weight. Try swapping artificial products for this healthier, natural snack. Problems with impulse shopping? Make a list. Studies show shoppers who use lists tend to eat healthier. The trick is to take your list with you and stick to it. If it's not on the list, it doesn't go in the cart. Smoothies are a great and easy way to get healthy foods in your diet. Delicious and healthy. Can't go wrong with that combo. Avocados are nature's butter. Try this instead of your regular spreads. Batch cooking is one of the best hacks to clean up your diet. In only a couple hours, you can batch cook for a whole week. It saves you time and money, and you always have something healthy ready to go. We knocked it out in 90 seconds. We actually did it. I'll see you on the next one.